Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce head unit special for Hyundai Elantra 2014 to 2015 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay, let me take out the unit. Okay, this is the head unit. Okay, let me introduce the honey set first. You can check this special harness for Hyundai Elantra. This connector connects our back head units. This USB cable. This plug and connector, special for Hyundai Kia. Okay, you can check Hyundai Kia power cable. And this two for original camera. This is one of original camera. It's also adapter for original camera. You can check. This camera input will come with head units. Okay. You can check. This is K1 and reserve. This is for backup camera, 12 voltage, and this K1 for steering wheel control. This break-in cable, please do not connect it. Okay, this is special harness. It will come with remote controller and external microphone and the GPS antenna. This is camera input, also will come with head unit. This AUX input. This AUX input, left and right. This is video input. Okay. This is audio cable. This is subwoofer. And this AUX out, front and rear, left and right. Okay, let me introduce the head unit. You can check this front head unit. This volume is SD card, home button, this DVD player. Please take out these two screws before installing. This for fix DVD player in shipment. You can check side. Okay. And this side, you can check there is two USB cable. This two USB cable and the external microphone. These connectors, this radio port, this Wi-Fi antenna, this power cable, fuse, and the GPS antenna. Okay. Let me introduce. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay. Button lights will be on. You can check this PI system. Let me adjust the camera. Okay. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, this 8-inch IPS touch screen brightness adjustment. You can adjust this taskbar. This is clear memory. And this radio, you can click search the radio stations. Okay, let me back the home, this home button. This volume. Okay, this date and the time. Can check very fast response. It built-in DVD player. This DVD slot is microphone built-in built-in IR. Okay, let me check. It's built-in easy connection for Mirrorlink. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay, back to home. Let me check. It's built-in Google Maps and Play Store. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and support hotspots from your phone. But machine, you can check this MCU variant. CPU, the octa-core PX5. Memory size RAM 4GB. It's PX5. Android 9 version. PI system. Okay, let me back to home. Okay, let me introduce the settings. Let me check the ROM. You can check system and language. It supports all languages. You can add a language. Choose your country language. It's built in so many languages. Okay, let me back. And its storage, you can check this total is ROM 64 GB. Okay. And car settings. It's personal settings. You can turn on the autoplay music. It's SSD memory. For you can choose 1 hour. When you back in car within 1 hour, it's fast start just 1 second. Okay, LED panels, you can change the red, green, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose the red. And this automatically after volume. You can set the volume. Navigation settings, you can choose the Google Map and the navigation sound. Drum settings, you can check this turn on the watch video. This backup camera for settings. Wheel ruler tracking display X mirroring. This is for steering wheel control. You can set the buttons. Okay. You can restore your system. If you click OK, your system will be restored original. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please just contact to us. Okay, thank you.